So boom, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pan from TechDude, and we are about to achieve 4,100 subscribers on our channel. So if you are new to this channel, definitely subscribe to my channel. And in this video we are going to talk about our smartphones are changing in 2025. So let us roll the intro. Before diving into the topic deeper, let us talk about the ranking of the smartphones. So Xiaomi used to be at first place. Now the smartphone ranking is at 7th place, and OnePlus is on 10th place. And talking about Apple is on 4th place, and at 3rd place Oppo is at 3rd place, and Samsung at 2nd place. And surprisingly, Vivo is in first place of top selling smartphones in 2025. So because of the smartphone company dynamics, companies have started evolving continuously so that they can give a complete comeback. So I know Vivo is ruling at first place, and Xiaomi was in first place 4 years back, but now it is in 10th or 7th place, which is a major downfall. But they are trying their level best, as well as they are doing pretty much well in terms of their software, cameras and hardware to give their comeback. And to give a comeback, it is a continuously evolving process. Like it is not a one day thing. Like they have to improve day by day, years by years to do that. And previously Xiaomi used to known for their budget smartphones, like they used to known as best budget smartphones, but nowadays they don't offer much value to performance, so people started preferring other brands. So let us talk about budget smartphones. During 2016 to 2018 period, budget smartphone used to come at the mid-range price of 13 to 18k. This was known as budget smartphones, and they used to offer pretty much a decent level of performance in terms of everything. And due to COVID, inflation has happened, and the scarcity of smartphone parts have happened, which led to inflation of the prices. Like for suppose, if this smartphone takes 16,000 rupees to build, there used to be a profit margin of 2 to 3,000. Then because of inflation, the prices has increased. For suppose, if this phone costs 16,000, because of inflation it will cost now around 26,000. So this was a major thing happened during the COVID hit, because of the space as well as inflation in the market, as well as changes and evolving technology in the market. So in 2025 and in upcoming years 2026, brand will come back to their budget and affordable smartphone, which offers better price to performance ratio rather than premiumization of their smartphones. Because lots of brands did try to premiumize their smartphones, such as Xiaomi. They have failed very hardly. Like they have just went to 7th place straight from the first place. And premiumization is not everyone's cup of tea. When you are stepping into this premiumization game, you should offer better price to value in terms of every aspects. Like take Apple for a reason. They offer better cameras, they offer top-notch software quality, as well as they offer better performance. Talking about this Android premiumization smartphones, they lack some or the other thing. Like they lack cameras if they have performance. Take IQ as an example. They offer pretty much good performance, but they don't have better software experience as well as cameras, which is a major drawback. If you take Apple as an example, they are pretty much a balanced smartphone. They do everything pretty much in a decent way in every department. Like if you want performance, they offer balanced performance. If you want cameras, you have fantastic cameras. If you want charging speeds, they have decent charging speeds. So they know what they are doing. Coming to the Chinese brands, they don't know what they are doing. So yeah, this is the one of the reasons. Offering better EMI offers, as well as better card offers, as well as better exchanging bonus in terms of smartphones, so that they can attract more buyers, so that they can increase their smartphone sales in numbers. Yeah, this is a major thing which is going to happen in future. So if you observe a smartphone for past few years, there is lots of issues smartphone users are facing, such as OnePlus came with this green line issues as well as pink line issues, and Poco has came with this motherboard dead issues. They even offer a screen replacement for OnePlus, as well as they did a 3 years warranty for Poco's motherboard. And one more thing is that they have camera issues, like camera sensors are pretty much issues. Nowadays smartphones are focusing pretty much on refinement and the longevity of the smartphone, so people are now experiencing less of these issues. Previously more users used to face this challenge, which is pretty much uncomfortable, like getting a smartphone for 60k and using it for 3 months, then the smartphones start giving this type of tantrums. So it used to be pretty much frustrating for end user, because there was no immediate action taken by company. It literally took 1 to 1.5 years for OnePlus to come up with a solution for this green line issue. Slowly but surely smartphone brands have started focusing on quality. Talking about another aspect, AI, Google and Samsung are doing pretty much great in terms of AI, because they are integrated with Gemini AI, which is cloud based AI, and they are doing pretty much well in terms of future. And I feel like AI is a gimmick. No one pretty much relies on AI nowadays completely. They still do things manually, but it is still in developing stage. Talking about other side of the paper, talking about Apple, they have introduced their Apple AI or Apple Intelligence, whatever you may call. It is still in developing stage. It is only available for Apple 15 series as well as 16 series, I guess, but it is not up to the mark of where Android is currently, and it will take more 5 to 6 months to get there. Until then, Android will have much more major improvements in terms of AI, and I feel like AI future is still a gimmick. You can skip this AI part if you want, and no, most of them doesn't completely rely on AI for day-to-day tasks. So yeah, to improve themselves, Apple should collaborate with ChatGPT or some other AI engine, so that they can offer better performance in terms of AI. Everything about tech and what is happening in tech. Previously, smartphone used to come with these pop-up cameras, which are pretty much an kind of an gimmick to attract more buyers. But nowadays, people are pretty much aware of the gimmicks as well as shady things that smartphone brands do to attract buyers. So yeah, people have become pretty much wiser. So if you want to be wiser, just subscribe my channel. And one more major thing is that Snapdragon have completely announced that their smartphone processors are now completely focused on performance as well as budget as well as stability. So they want to make stable processors, and they are all about refinement, as I said before, in terms of performance, offering more performance with more battery with less heat generation. So yeah, let us see what Snapdragon does in upcoming years. I know Snapdragon have improved pretty much everything in terms of their flagship level, talking about the Snapdragon Elite processors, but let us see where it goes. Another major thing is that lots of dead brands are also trying to give a comeback. For example, take Nokia as an example. They are rebranded as HMD, and they are pretty much focused on balanced smartphone under the budget of 35k. And another major brand is known as Honor. Literally they are trying to give their comeback. Previously in 2016, Honor used to be manufactured in India, and we used to import Honor smartphones, but nowadays Honor is completely manufactured in India, and they are trying to give their comeback as an smartphone brand in Indian market, which is an exciting thing. And Honor and Huawei are known for innovations, so let us see what they will do in this Indian market. So to conclude this video, in upcoming years smartphone brands will do something big in the smartphone industry, because nowadays smartphone brands are not all about innovation. They are about stability as well as reliability as well as sustainability. They are just going to refine their devices. You will not see such big improvements in terms of smartphones in the upcoming years, but you will get better displays, better cameras, better processors as well as better software experiences for the price you are paying. And one more major thing is that budget brands will come back to their strong zone, where they will make affordable smartphones such as Redmi used to do their budget affordable smartphones like in the Note 5 series, Note 6 series. They will come back to the same zone because they feel this premiumization cutting, so they will get back to their basics. And another major thing is that there used to be quality issues as well as spare issues, but nowadays everything completely sorted, so that you will see pretty much drop in the prices of the smartphone in the upcoming years, as well as you will see better price to performance ratio smartphones in the budget. So that's it for this video guys. If you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.